Hi, I'm Rovina. Welcome to Spices and Aromas. It's jackfruit season, and what better way to enjoy it than with a delicious jackfruit sheera. This aromatic and rich dessert is a must try. For a perfect texture, taste, make sure you watch the video till the end. Now, let's get started. Take a wide pan, not very deep, and add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once it melts, add some cashews and raisins and fry until they are browned. Please do like, follow and subscribe my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. I prefer only these nuts as they complement the sheera best. Once done, set them aside. An important tip here, take a measuring cup and use the same measuring cup for measuring all the ingredients. To the same pan, add another teaspoon of ghee, 1 cup of semolina, 3 to 4 cloves and fry it for 7 to 8 minutes. This step is crucial for getting a lump-free sheera. Keep the flame to the minimum level so that the rava or the semolina doesn't get over roasted. Once you're done with the roasting, spread the roasted semolina on a flat plate. This helps in pouring the semolina later to the pan. Now it's time to prepare the jackfruit pieces, the star ingredient of our dish. Adding 2 teaspoons of ghee, I am going to fry this finely chopped jackfruit pieces. Here I have used half cup of jackfruit pieces. If you like to have more pieces while eating, you can add more pieces. After frying this for 2 minutes, add half cup ground jackfruit paste. I have made a smooth paste by grinding jackfruit pieces and little milk. As you continue frying this, add a pinch of salt. This helps to balance the sweetness of the dish. I have been sharing a lot of tips throughout the video to make your cooking easy and you get the perfect texture. So let me know in comments which is that tip you like the most. It's time to add liquids to cook the semolina. From my cooking experience, I always follow 1:3 ratio, 1 part of semolina to 3 parts of liquid. Here I am using 1 cup of milk and 2 cups of water. If you prefer a rich flavor, use only milk. Let the mixture come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, gently pour in the roasted semolina while stirring continuously to prevent lumps. As I said earlier in my video, it is important to fry the semolina for 7 minutes. It is at this stage, if the semolina is not fried, it may form lumps. You may have noticed I have used generous amount of ghee for this recipe because ghee is healthier than oil. It aids digestion, enhances flavors and provides good fat. Since we rarely indulge in such rare dishes, it's worth enjoying it. As the semolina absorbs the liquid and thickens, add 3/4 cup of sugar and mix well. Now comes the most important part of the sheera preparation, getting the right texture. If you have noticed the texture of the sheeras that you get in the restaurants or the hotels, which is very soft and smooth, and when you try it at home, it doesn't come out that way. So the reason is adding the right amount of ghee or oil. Restaurants mostly use oil. Here I have used half cup ghee. You can use 1/4 cup oil and 1/4 cup ghee. Once you are done, close the lid and keep it aside for 15 minutes and a perfect sheera is ready to serve. Enjoy this delightful treat with upma and spiced poha or bajil. Thank you.